Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a version of Windows 11 that, once installed, will resolve all your performance and lagging issues. This is a light and optimized version of Windows 11. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the video. Welcome to my channel. Technichio. To download the Windows 11 Lite version, I will open my browser and search for Windows 11 X-Lite. From the search results, I will open the official website, whose link you can also find in the description. Now from here, I will select the Windows 11 build and then choose the Windows 11 25 H2 update in the next step so that I can get the latest features. Here you will be able to see all its features, and if you scroll down you will also find the download link. So I will download it from here, which I have already downloaded beforehand. Let me show you the downloaded file. As you can see, this is a zip file, so I will extract it. Inside, you will find an ISO image file, and along with it, you will also find website links and Rufus, which is a very old version. So, whenever you use Rufus to create a bootable device, always use the latest version to avoid any issues during boot. I have already downloaded the latest version. I will open it to create a bootable USB drive. If you want to watch a complete detailed video about Rufus, the link is available in the description. You can watch it. As soon as I plug in the USB drive, Rufus will detect it automatically. From here, I will select the downloaded Windows 11 Lite ISO file. I will not change the default settings because I am using a UEFI non-CSM system. But if you are using a non-UEFI CSM system, then you should choose the MBR partition scheme. As soon as I click Start, the Windows Installation Customization tab will open in front of you. From here, you can remove the requirements for 4 GB plus RAM, Secure Boot, TPM 2.0, and the online Microsoft account. And you can also create a local account right here with any name. I will select this option and start the process. After the process is complete, I will restart the system. During the boot logo, I will press the boot key and select the USB drive from the list. After loading, you will see the Windows X-Lite interface. And after that, you will get two options: whether you want to install Windows 11 Pro with Defender off or with it on. I will keep Defender on, and I suggest everyone do the same so that your system can be protected from all kinds of threats. So I'll click Next, configure my disk settings, meaning I will delete and renew the necessary disks, and then select the installation media. If you want to watch a detailed video on this, you will find the link in the description. Once I select the disk, the installation will begin. After the installation is complete, the system will restart. Windows will start all its services and prepare for the first boot. And here you can see that my local account has been created automatically, and it will log in automatically. And here you will see its interface. This is the light and optimized version of Windows. If you check the local C drive, you will see that this whole Windows installation uses less than 6 GB of storage. If I open the Task Manager and go to the Performance tab, you can see here that the system is using minimal resources. So, by installing this optimized Windows 11, you can not only run Windows 11 on your system, but can fully enjoy it without any performance restrictions. In my next video, I will tell you how you can check saved Wi-Fi passwords on your mobile. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.